Alright, we're back here at Marrinup Falls walk trail. Had to wait a little while because there were people on the trail. Now I'm the only one here. I can get down there with the drone. I did say I'd come back and do a little bit of drone flights over the falls. So I walked down there, bumped into two people down there. Got to launch a drone over 3 of the small waterfalls on the valley here. And I'll put the video together and hope you like it. Definitely worth a walk down here before it all dries up. Alright, yeah, come on out here and go for a walk. It's nice and peaceful. Other than the little 100 swarm of bees flying around when someone's flying a drone. But luckily there weren't any people around, so that made it easier. There also isn't any cockatoos around. Normally the red-tailed black cockatoos are around, but I haven't seen or heard any yet today, so not sure where they're hiding. But anyway, hope you like the video and come out for a walk.